Hi! This is I like Tita Porky. Give me a I like Lola He said
this first. Can I play this first?
Yeah, sure.
and I want to play this toy. Oh my god! And this toy box is so beautiful. And this is how we can dress. And this is my birthday. It's my birthday because it's my birthday.
Tita Porky. I'm so happy.
And Kirby's happy too.
Rian and Regan are so happy. Thank
This
you.
is my birthday. Look, and that's why I want it.
We're so happy. I'm so happy for my Mickey. Oh my gosh.
And this is adorable Wawa Milkshake.
Oh my gosh.
And this is a beautiful Wawa Milkshake Wag. Wawa Milkshake Wag is coming to make a Wawa Milkshake Wag.
I'm gonna put
Because
this.
this is my favorite Wawa Milkshake Wag.
You love it?
Yeah.
You love it?
Where do I put
happy?
this?
Hold on.
I'm so happy, Mom.
Say thank you to Tita Porky.
Thank you,
Wait,
Tita
I'm gonna
Porky.
put-
I love you. And let's go. See you next time. And what's
I have the soundtrack, Mom. Happy birthday, Kirby. All I have to say is, happy birthday, Kirby.
It's my birthday. It's your birthday.
It's Daddy's birthday. Thank
And
you, Tita
Kirby's
Porky.
birthday.
Thank you so much. We love it so much.
And happy birthday, Kirby. And thank you.
And this is my box.
Oh, you say thank you also for the book, Regan.
Thank you for the Wawa
For the thesaurus.
Thank you for the Wawa Whoopsie. Dad, we're going to begin. Dad, we're going to begin, Dad.
Yes, sweetheart.
We're going to finish. Dad, open it. Dad, open the Wawa Whoopsie box. Dad, open the Wawa Whoopsie box. And I like Wawa Whoopsie box. Let's talk to Dad.
We have
Let's talk to Mommy.
You talk to Tita Porky.
Tita Porky, I can't believe it too. It's the Crumbs cooking show with Crumbs this week's with fluff.
Kirby's epic yarn.
Cooking in flour. And this is Wawa Loopsland. I like Wawa Loopsland.
Kirby, in Kirby's epic yarn, he turned into yarn. Yeah. He turned into yarn.
Say something, baby.
Yay! This is the Kirby's 20th anniversary. My first unboxing of it. And I'm gonna play it now.
Say thank you to Tita
Thank
Porky.
you, Tita Porky, for it.
Thank you, Tita
And then
Porky. I
after,
love it.
I use Kirby's epic yarn.
Look.
Ooh.
And Wawa Loopsland.
Look, it's saving like last time in.
Hi. My
Okay, everybody say thank you now.
Thank you.